Right, that's rolling. Whoa! Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Neha and today it's going to be a slightly different vlog because I'm not traveling anywhere, but it is snowing. Yes, you heard that right, snowing in London, and I just wanted to give you a quick flavour of what it's like. It rarely ever snows, so it's definitely worth stepping out the house for. Just to give you a little teaser. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So let's go. Oh my god guys, I can't believe it is snowing. Like, this is beautiful. I actually don't remember the last time I saw this much snow. I mean, I know it was a couple of years ago, or maybe as a child, but this is amazing. Look at that, it's all white. Winter wonderland. And it seems like someone's made a snowman. Alright guys, so this brings us to the end of this video. I know it's fairly short, but this is pretty much what I wanted to show you. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you thought of it in the comment section below, and yeah, if it's snowing down yours, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!